Have you ever looked up at the night sky and been amazed by the twinkling stars? The Boibar Valley Dark Sky Week event 2023. Participants from all over the world gather to experience the beauty of the night sky in the heart of Pakistan. The event kicked off with a guided night hike, where participants were able to check in the stunning views of the valley. As the night appeared, everyone was amazed by the clarity and brilliance of the stars. That experience of seeing the beauty of the night sky is what we call a dark sky. A dark sky is an area where the night sky is free from artificial light pollution, which allows us to see the stars and other celestial objects clearly and unobstructed. Dark skies are essential for scientific research and for cultural and recreational activities such as stargazing. They offer an opportunity for people to connect with the natural world and appreciate the beauty of the night sky. Light pollution is becoming a growing threat to our environment and the ecosystem that depends on it. That's why preserving dark skies is more important than ever before. So let's work together to protect the night sky and keep it dark. By doing so, we can ensure the future generations can experience the same sense of wonder and appreciation for the beauty of the night sky that we do today. During the event, participants had the opportunity to attend the light pollution workshop, where they learned about the negative effects of artificial light on the environment and ways to minimize it. They also enjoyed a campfire where they shared stories, local music and dance. The highlights of the event was the stargazing session, where everyone was able to observe the stars and constellations with the help of experts. The folk music and dance performance added to the cultural experience, allowing participants to immerse themselves in the rich traditions of the region. Overall, the Boibar Valley Dark Sky Week event was a resounding success, with attendees taking away a deeper appreciation for the natural beauty of the night sky and the importance of preserving it for the future generation. It was a night of learning, fun and cultural exchange that left a lasting impression on everyone who attended. Through the Boibar Valley Dark Sky Week event, we aim to raise awareness about light pollution and its negative impact on our planet. Our goal is to inspire people to take action to protect the night sky and to appreciate the beauty of the stars. We believe that events like these are important for creating a sense of community and for bringing people together to learn and have fun. We hope that by sharing this experience with you, we can inspire you to become more involved in protecting the environment and to appreciate the natural wonders that surrounds us.